So let's take the smartwatch from this box. Let's do the unboxing of this smartwatch. You can see this smartwatch in here. You have this plastic here, and behind you have as well. And in the box you can see the charger. It's a different type of charger. You have to push this button for it open, and you place this charger here. You push your smartwatch in the charger and push this part until you hear this noise. So it's ready to charge. That's a strange charger. So you can push here and you release the smartwatch. In here as well you have the paper, the instruction manual, and here you have the QR code for you to download the app. You can download the app as well on the Play Store or App Store. In here you have another plastic for the protections of the screen. You can put this here. So let's go to the smartwatch. This is a digital watch that is the shape of round. This has a leather strap. It isn't waterproof, that's a shame. And it has one button on the side and one button on the touch screen. With this button you can turn on the screen and you can go to the main screen touching here. You can also turn off the smartwatch holding this for a few seconds and keep turning it on when it is off. With this button you can surf into the functions, and when you are in a function you have to hold for a few seconds and the function is ready to use. So if you want to go out you have to hold for a few seconds and you go out from the function. It has 180 milliampere hours of battery. It lasts 15 days on standby mode and 7 days using every day. So this battery is kind of good. So let's see the functions. The first you can watch the first you will see the hour and main informations. The next version is about the steps. The another is about the ppm measure. This is the BP measure. It's about the blood pressure measure. This is the sleep monitor. This is the countdown. This is the stopwatch. This is the sport mode. If you want to use the sport mode, you just hold this for a few seconds and you will watch the timer going up, and the other functions as well: calories, BPM, and steps. If you want to stop, you have to press this twice and hold this for a few seconds and you can go out. And the last function is power off. So you can power off with this button too, holding for a few seconds. Let's go to the application of this product. Before the last part of this video, I have to say to you that Gearbest has a promotional price of this product. So don't forget to click on the link on the description and get you with the promotional price. Let's go to the last part of this video. Let's go to the application of this product. The name is AD Band 2.0 and I'm using this on my Mi 9T. And this product, the main page, it's about the sport, sleep, heart rate, blood pressures. These stuffs you can see in the main page. The running page, you can use the GPS movement, and you start the running mode. You can watch the GPS where you pass running with this product. So this is a very good. You can use the GPS and the map. In this page you will see the historic record about your running. And this page is the profile. You can setting your step goal, your sleep goal. You can change the unit setting. You can change the theme of the application. You can put it green, or you can put it in blue. And in here you see you can turn on the notification of a lot of applications. You can turn on to you receive the notification in your smartwatch. Here is alarm settings. You can click here and click on the plus to set up any alarm settings. Here is the sedentary settings. You can turn it on to it ring when you are too long sitting without waking up and walking a little. This is the heart rate alert. This is turning wrist detections, and there are a lot of other functions you can put this smartwatch, as you can see here. And you can take pictures too. If you turn this application on, you can shake the smartwatch and it will take the photo, and you can place the countdown timer from here. If you turn it off, it will not appear on your smartphone anymore. And I will tell you about the price of this product. So the Kospet V12, it's costing $31 USD.